I'm filming, by the way.
Oh, you are? Okay. I'll try to get out of the way because I'm like a sea hag.
You don't look like a sea hag.
I've seen myself. I know what I look like.
What's up, guys? So it's Tim Trees from Patriot Woodworking. A really cool thing that happened yesterday. I was going into the post office and I had my dad's Packer sign, and I says, "Hey, I need to send this off." And the ladies give a funny face because it's a Packers and not Cowboys or whatever they like. I'm like, "Hey, he's a Packer fan. He's from Illinois. Deal with it." I didn't say that. So one thing led to another, and one of the ladies was like, "Hey, can you make me a sign?" "Sure, I can make you a sign. What you want?" So they said, and okay, I'm taking notes on my phone, and off we go about our business and come back and make a sign. And so I got their name and the established, and I put some lines on it, and it looked really cool. And then the wife took it and she scalped the edges, and I threw some stain on it because that's all they wanted. They just wanted stain, no epoxy, no paint, or nothing. Just fine. And then this morning I get the text. I took a picture of it last night and sent it to her. She's like, "Hey, how about this? This is what I got." Didn't hear anything back. I'm like, "Well, I'll just go about and cut it." She didn't say anything else. So then this morning I get the text like, "Hey, can you put in our names?" And I'm thinking, how am I gonna add all this and make it look right? I can't. It's gonna be squished at best, so can't do it. So make you a new one. So that's what I'm in the process of now, is making a new one. No biggie though, because we talked on the phone and she said no problem. She said I'll just buy both and give one to somebody else in the family. It works out great. So here's the process of it all. Right now I'm just trying to get this all zeroed in without smashing my thing. There we go. Now it's going to make a whole nother sign anyway, because whether she added late in the process or not, I want to keep my customers happy. So that was a no-brainer anyway. It was a piece of cake, really, because all I had to do was just go back into the file that I did last night and just add their names and then just tweak the spacing on everything. It really just took just a matter of minutes. And then the whole cut time is, what, it's maybe about 35 minutes total. And that's on the machine, that's not on me. Okay. Come on, there we go. Load the new improved file. Start and start. Hey, 24 minutes total. Not bad. it loaded a new tool. You're good. And here you go. Here is your completed sign. Enjoy. Merry Christmas, y'all. Hey Turner, so I hope you got your signs, and I hope you liked them. I had a lot of fun making them. I've never made a sign for someone before, so that was fun to do. I just went online and got some inspiration, and then with direction from Dina, and made it. She was happy with it, so enjoy. Merry Christmas. Glad you like your signs. All right. Thanks for watching, and subscribe as always. Thank you.